Hi everyone, my name is Anita.
And my name is JC.
Today we will look at shapes that we see in everyday life.
Okay, Thea, can anyone guess what the object behind me is? That's right, it's a circle.
Now JC, where do you see circles at every day?
I can think of a few, but I think I would need my special friends to help me figure it out. Can you think of any circles you see every day? That's right, the sun is a big circle that you see every day in the sky. Next would probably be a penny or any other coin that you see. Also, a baseball or any other sport ball that you might see. And lastly, a checker.
Now what kind of shape do you see behind us? That's right, it's a square. A square has 4 sides.
Can you think of any squares you see every day?
Okay, some examples of squares are a square pillow, a handicap sign, a cake that is shaped like a square, and some TVs that are square shaped. Can anyone tell me what shape is behind me? It has 3 sides. Right, it's a triangle. And then 2 examples of a triangle is a Dorito and a healing sign.
Can anybody tell me what these shapes are behind me? Anybody? Right, they're rectangles. And these are what you see every day. A brick wall, a chalkboard, an exit sign, and a door. The shape behind me is called a trapezoid. It's short at the top and longer at the bottom and has 4 sides. An example of a trapezoid is right behind me, which is the base of the pyramid.
The object behind me is an octagon. It has 8 sides. An example of an octagon is a stop sign.
The object behind me is called a cube. It is like a square, but it has 6 faces and is 3-dimensional. An example of a cube is a pair of dice.
The shape behind me is a cone. It has 1 point and it's a 3-dimensional object. An example of a cone is an ice cream cone.
The object behind me is called a pyramid. It is like a triangle, but it's 3-dimensional. An example of a pyramid is an actual pyramid in each.
The object behind me is a half circle. A half circle is a circle that is divided into 2. An example of a half circle is a half moon.
The object behind me is called a quarter circle. If you were to take a circle and cut it into 4s, it would be a quarter circle. An example of a quarter circle is if you were to take an orange and to cut it up or peel it into 4 pieces.
The shape behind us is a sphere. A sphere is like a circle, but it's 3-dimensional.
An example of a sphere is the world.
Thank you for exploring shapes with us today.